An AI agent needs email that reads, replies, and keeps the conversation straight. The real decision is what it plugs into: a purpose-built email API or direct IMAP access. This is that comparison, and the better fit is Robotomail. First, give IMAP its due. It is a standard mailbox access protocol defined in RFC 9051 and 3501. It is a fair choice for teams that want to own that plumbing. But notice what it is: a stateful mailbox protocol. Your agent would log in, select a folder, fetch messages, and track flags. And to send anything, it needs a separate SMTP channel. That is plumbing, not an application surface. Now flip to what an agent actually needs: a real identity, its own address, incoming mail delivered as an event, not a poll loop, the thread and attachments attached to every message, and a reply path that lands in the same thread. That is 5 things. IMAP defines mailbox access and message manipulation, but the application still has to decide how to expose identity, inbound events, thread and attachment objects, and outbound submission. A raw mailbox protocol leaves the application layer to you. Robotomail gives you those 5 things as one API. One call provisions the mailbox. Inbound mail arrives as a signed webhook event, message received, in clean JSON. Sender, subject, parsed body, message ID, and thread ID. You read, reason, and reply by posting to the message's endpoint with inReplyTo set, and Robotomail threads it automatically. Send, receive, threads, and attachments all live on that one surface. Your agent writes application code, not protocol code. So every IMAP strength has a direct answer. IMAP is an open, standard mailbox access protocol. Robotomail runs a real mail server underneath and generates SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records for custom domains. IMAP exposes mailbox operations and message flags. Robotomail exposes application objects and signed events, message, thread, attachment, and webhook, so there is less protocol plumbing. And where IMAP has no standard way to submit mail, Robotomail covers send and receive on one API. Own the plumbing? IMAP is there. Ship the agent? It is Robotomail. That is why the better fit is Robotomail. The agent owns its address. Inbound is an event, and replies stay in the thread. Start at robotomail.com.